Welcome to the Garden Shop product demonstration video. In this video I want to show you our garden tray, which is a product available on our website. So it's a versatile all-rounder tray really, many purposes. The specification on it firstly, well, it's made from a tough plastic, a multi-purpose tool. It's injection molded tray, so it's very tough and sturdy plastic. It also is resistant to garden chemicals and oils, so it's not going to be harmed if something spills on it. So it's really an all-rounder in the garden. It has many uses. The dimensions and specifications on it then, it's 57 centimeters in length, it is 32 centimeters in width, and it is 5 centimeters in depth. So what you would use something like this for, well, basically it is a garden tray, so it can be used for many different things. The first thing that we would suggest using it for is for holding seed trays, and so I'll just show you that in action here now. What I have firstly is a capillary matting. So this is an optional extra that you could get with your seed trays, and basically what you would do is you place the matting into the seed tray like that. The matting then has the ability, once you add water to the seed tray, this capillary matting will spread the water evenly out over the surface and also assist in the movement of water from the matting up into the trays above. So what you could use then as the trays that you could fit into your standard garden tray would include the 84 cell plug tray. So one fits perfectly inside into your standard tray here beneath. So there you have a very simple system for watering, storing and holding your plug trays. Simply place your compost inside the plug trays, sow your seeds directly into each individual cell, and then for about 5 to 6 weeks you're going to have the ideal growing conditions with your tray beneath, your capillary matting underneath the plugs, and then watering spread evenly over the tray and rising up into the seeds, the little plugs. Therefore you're getting the ideal growing conditions, ideal amount of water and the ideal amount of air in the soil. So that's one product that fits inside our garden tray, is the 84 cell plug tray. Another product that fits nicely inside it is the 24 cell seed trays. Okay, so we'll just open this up and you'll see that you can in fact fit, we have in this, when you buy the 24 cell seed tray you get 5. So we'll just take these out here. So these all stack easily together. And you can see that 2 of them fit perfectly on top here of your garden tray. And another feature that we can include then to give you the complete propagation set would be something like these seed tray lids. So with your garden tray you can then have your capillary matting, which gives the perfect watering conditions. You can then have your, what we have in this case, the 24 cell seed trays, which has the ability to grow, in this case, 48 plants. And then on top of that you can place your propagation tray lids, which are absorbing sunlight, keeping in heat, keeping in moisture and keeping plant air humidity nice and high, which is ideal, again giving the perfect growing conditions above the soil, and with the tray and the capillary matting creating the perfect conditions in the soil itself. So you have just a perfect system there really, that you can carry, hold and store and care for your seeds and seedlings over the course of time until they're ready for hardening off and then transplanting out into the garden. So that's the second tray that fits nicely into our garden tray. Obviously the next thing that we can fit in is the single cell trays, and again you can fit 2 of these into that. So I'll just show you that again in action. So we have 2 single cell trays fitting into our larger garden tray beneath, and again just like with the 24 cell seed tray you can have the seed tray lids on top of the cells. So again, your perfect growing conditions created there. And then finally, the last thing that you can fit Well, there's a number of different things, but another thing you can fit onto your seed tray, onto your garden tray, is obviously a number of garden pots. We have a range of different sizes of pots that you can fit onto it. And then, if I just reach down here, we also have the large propagator dome, and again we have one there, and you could fit a second one right beside it. So that's the range of different things that you can fit onto your garden tray. So really what you're seeing is you're getting, with the garden tray, you're getting the complete seed and seedling caring kits really. So the advantage of the tray is that you would, just setting it up one more time, the advantages of the tray then is that you would simply water the tray, water the capillary matting. The water will spread across the matting and then be absorbed up into the compost of your seed trays. The tray also has the advantage that it prevents any spillage of water, keeping your place clean. It can be used in the greenhouses. It's also black, therefore it absorbs heat. It is UV protected. It can be used to hold other different items, such as you could use it just to store your well-eaten boots or other dirty footwear. It can be used for so many different things in itself. So really it's an all-round versatile product, and it's just show you the final product what you're getting here. So that's it there. It's the garden tray, and it's a product available on the gardenshop.ie.